In this video, we'll show you how to download and save images from Google directly to your iPhone device's gallery. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. This method is perfect when you come across an image on Google that you want to save to your phone. Let's get started by opening up your web browser. I'll use Chrome here. Go ahead and search for the image you're looking for. For example, let's search for Guide Realm. Next, tap on the Images tab at the top to narrow down the results. Once you find the image you want to download, simply tap on it to open it. Now, press and hold your finger on the image and a menu will appear with several options. Select Download Image, and the image will begin downloading to your device. Once it's downloaded, you can exit the browser and open your gallery app. The image should now appear in your collection. Simply open it to view or use it however you like. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.